Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, and I have today for you some cards that I have here. They're already prepped, and I am going to make some quick cards for you for the brand new Not Too Shabby Box of the Month that just debuted yesterday. If you would like to see everything that's in the box, I have an unboxing video over on my channel, and I will link that down below. So one of the things I said in the unboxing was I was going to, excuse me, that this paper, this scene paper, kind of challenges me. I don't typically make very good scene cards. So I said I would make it in the hot, but I chose to do something else for the hot, but I have it for you today. So I'm going to move all this out of the way so that I can work on one card at a time. These Trinity Stamps clay embellishments, cake smash confetti come in the box, and I'm going to use those in my cards. So I'm going to go to a voiceover to make my cards. I probably will play some music while I'm making my cards, and then I'll catch you back when I get finished. Thanks so much.
Okay, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed watching me make the cards. I altered some of the sketches and added some things to some of the sketches. And that's what a sketch is, something for you to have a starting point and then make it your own. So here are all the rest of the cards, another peek at them. And this is a great box contents for you to get some birthday cards made to have in your stash. And I hope you enjoyed them, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.